This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome to DanceFit. Today I'm here with my friend Laura. She is 31 weeks pregnant, and we're going to be teaching you some easy dance moves. DanceFit is a great way to burn lots of calories and have a lot of fun. You can check out the full program on Amazon Prime Video and the Yoga Plus app. This is a great total body workout. You don't need any equipment for it, but I do recommend that you use some sneakers. So here we're gonna start out in a squat position. We're gonna come down into that squat, hold here, and then you're gonna lift. Up, down, good. Each time getting even lower in that squat. You got 8 more here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now step out to the right in a grapevine and switch. Good. You can add some arm movement here. Few more times. Last one. Go back into that squat and up. Last one here. Back to that grapevine. And back down to that squat for 4 times. 4, lift, 3, 2, 1, grapevine. Back to that squat. Good job. 3 more here. 2 and 1. Good job. Come into a march. So here we're going to go into a squat again. Hold that squat, pulse it out. Then lift it up here. We're going to bring our arms out to the side. So very simple, just wrapping your hand around your head and bringing it out side to side with a little dip to your hips. Once you got that move, make it a little bigger, make that dip a little lower, stronger arms with it. Few more. Now here we're gonna build onto this movement and we're gonna step forward in a V-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, then sides. Again. Now we're going to add some arms down, 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 and sides. Few more times. Now here, we're going to side step to the side here, 1 and 2. Once you have that movement, add a little bit of hip movement, side to side. 4, 4 more times. Here's 3, 2, last one. Back to those arms side to side. And up for 4. Good. Add those arms in. Now make it even bigger. Now here, add that side step again. 2, switch. Now here we're gonna add both together. Side, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 steps. Switch. Again, side step, bring it forward, and 2. So you got the movement now and even bigger. Hop, side step, two, side step, last time, and march it out. So here, finding that rhythm of the song, come down into a wide squat here, and we're gonna bring it down and up. So here we're working our glutes, sending those hips back. You really wanna sit down, like if you're gonna sit down in a chair. And then squeeze your glutes when you come up. 8 more here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one here, then grapevine to your side. Last one here, and then we're gonna go back down to those squats for 4, 4, up, 3, 2, 1, grapevine. Down for 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, grapevine. Down for 4. Grapevine. Down for 4. Grapevine. 2 more times. Grapevine. Last time around. Grapevine. Now here, bring those arms up and sweep it down. Good job. Few more here, deep breaths. And bring those arms in. And here, back to that squat for 4, 3, 2, 1, grapevine. Down for 4. Grapevine. And bring those arms up and to center. Thank you so much for working out with us today. We hope you had so much fun and got a good little dance workout in for your routine today. I recommend you do this 3 to 5 times a week to get a little cardio in and start waking up your body with some fun dance moves. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you join me for another DanceFit workout very soon.
Many of our subscribers don't see our videos. Make sure that you click the notification bell. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration.
You can find the rest of this program and all my DanceFit workouts on Amazon Prime Video and the Yoga Plus app.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.